Did you know medieval folks genuinely believed yawning was dangerous because it created an opening for your soul to slip out of your body? They thought demons could also sneak in through your open mouth during a yawn. That's why covering your mouth became a thing. It wasn't about being polite at first. It was literally about protecting your soul from escaping and keeping evil spirits from possessing you. Ancient Romans even made the sign of the cross over their mouths after yawning. Wild how a simple biological reflex terrified entire civilizations into thinking they could lose themselves forever.